Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to jump to the bottom of a Google Sheet. So if you want to jump to the bottom in Google Sheet, you can press Control buttons and then you can press down arrows in keyboard. So if we jump into bottom of a Google Sheet, you can click again up arrow to move to the top. Or if you have the data, like I will click in here, 1, and in this cell, I will set into 2. Now, if you use control down, it will be moved into number 2, this. And if you want to move into 1, you can press control button and then press arrow up like this. This is control button with arrow down will be moved to the bottom in data, and then arrow up will be moved to the top of data. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheets tutorial, how to jump to the bottom. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.